So here behind me I have GMC towel. GMC. The problem, you can see the roof. I changed the open roof. So the open roof got spoiled, so I changed some spare part on the open roof. So to open the open roof, you can see you have to, this is it. There is 3 bolts here. You can see 1 bolt, and there is 2nd bolt here, and the second bolt in here, and there is 1 bolt down here, same to the other side. So here is the actual power motor. So this is the power motor. You can see this is the power motor, the power that controls everything. So in here there's a glass here. That's it. Okay.